welcome to the channel. I am Tyler Fox, and today I'm in Kathmandu, Nepal. I got my local hat on, and my wife just purchased her Nepali sari in the last episode. But the problem is, she don't have the proper shoes on. So, we're gonna be on a mission to explore and find her Nepali shoes that's gonna match her traditional and cultural outfit here. And this place is very unique. I think it's called the Asen Bazaar, some type of chaotic, packed, and very busy market here in the center of Kathmandu. As you can see, all kinds of people, traffic, motorbikes, craziness going on. And they sell all types of stuff. There's also a ton of foreign tourists here as well. So this is a very unique and interesting place to explore.
Water.
Okay. All right. Let's go find her some shoes that matches her outfit. And you should definitely go check out the previous vlog where we bought her sari, because it was a very unique experience, and the shops are very unique and interesting as well. So it was a very cool in some back alleys. Hello. No, thank you. Appreciate it though, brother. All right. So they do have some shoes here, but it's not the type that we want. We're looking for a very specific kind that's gonna match her sari.
Hello.
So we will see. Hello, sir.
How are you, brother?
Doing good. How are you, brother?
I'm also fine. Where are you going?
I'm looking for shoes that matches her sari outfit. Do you know like a cultural Nepali shoes for women? Here. Okay, let's see. We're looking for the one that matches her outfit, like a traditional one.
Traditional one, this one.
The cultural one.
Yeah, this one.
Okay.
Yeah, this one is very nice.
Oh, that one is good.
Yeah.
How
What
much?
do you
How
think?
much?
This one, how much, brother? 1,050. 1,050 this one.
1,050.
Which size?
We don't know her size actually,
You can try first the
because
size.
Nepali probably has a different size than her.
Nepali price.
Nepali price is 1,000.
Can you give discount?
1,050.
Can you give discount?
850 for discount. Okay.
Yeah, this one is good
Not
size
this
for.
price, Nepali price.
Nepali price. Okay. I appreciate that, because a lot of people like to give me tourist price, but you give me Nepali price.
I think more bigger.
More bigger?
Yeah.
Okay. You like that exact
Yeah,
one?
that one is good.
The white one? Yeah, I like the white one. I think that's a fair price actually. What's 850? Let's check it out. Let's pull out the handy dandy currency exchange.
Try this one.
850. $5. That's just under $6. That's a great price.
Perfect size.
Perfect size. You
Yeah.
think so? Does it look good on her, bro? Okay.
Where are you from, brother?
I'm from the USA.
USA.
Yes. Where are you from?
Singapore.
From Nepal.
Yeah,
Yeah, yeah.
Durbar Square.
Nice to meet you, my friend.
Thank you.
Okay.
Really nice.
Think she already. So we got rid of the Nikes.
Yeah.
Ditched the Nikes. Bought her some
So
Nepali.
beautiful.
Thank you so much, brother. I appreciate it.
You looking Nepali boy?
Yeah, I'm Nepali boy. Let's go. Okay. You said 850, right? You're the owner, the shop owner?
Yeah.
This is your business?
Yeah.
How long you own this business?
कति वर्ष भयो त्यसको?
कति भन्ने अब?
15 years,
15 years.
15 years.
Yeah.
Very long time. Okay.
Very old.
Very old. Are you Nepali?
Nepali.
Nepali.
Pure Nepali.
Pure Nepali.
Yeah.
Okay. Here's 1,000.
Yeah, 1,000 rupees.
Okay. So 150 back, right?
Rupees discount.
150, right?
Yeah, 1,050.
Okay. So it's gonna give me 150 back. So we'll see. Okay. I think his wife just went in to get and change. Thank you so much for the discount, my friend. I appreciate
One
it.
discount. Nepali price.
Okay.
150.
Thank you so much, brother. I appreciate it. Can I ask you, what is this place right here?
This one.
Yeah.
Machinana temple.
Is that like a religious thing?
Buddhist temple?
Buddhist temple.
Yeah,
Okay,
Buddhist
okay.
temple.
Is that the one we went to earlier, or is that different?
Yeah, I guess this
Okay, you go.
Is it the same one?
right side?
Okay, okay. Thank you so much, brother.
Okay.
Huh? We don't know yet. We're just exploring the area. Is there somewhere I should go? What's unique here that where should I go? What is it?
Yeah, you go to Basanpur.
Can you show me on the map?
Okay. Which place you stay?
I stay like 10 minutes from here.
No, no.
But I'm trying to find like something to do here. What can I do here? Can you show me on the map? Let's see what he recommends here. Oh, the Durbar Square.
Yeah, Durbar Square.
Okay.
Yeah, you
Okay.
go to straight.
Okay. We will do that.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much, brother. I
Welcome.
appreciate it. Durbar Square. Okay.
Yeah.
I will go there. Thank you so much, brother. You have a good one.
Have a
Bye bye.
good day.
And thank you
Thank
for your
you.
help, brother. I appreciate you. Okay.
Next time.
Bye bye.
This up.
The shop here.
Yeah, this up.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Bye bye. Appreciate the business, brother. All right.
Now look
Perfect.
like my outfit.
It's a beautiful outfit, baby. Very good. I hope we don't get demonetized here. We might have to cut this. My brother driving this van, playing some Nepali music here. We got people in the back. Okay, he was actually recommending we go to the exact place that I was talking about going to earlier. So it's actually perfect and it's in walking distance.
Hi, brother.
Hello, brother. How are you?
Welcome to Nepal.
Thank you so much, brother. Are you Nepali?
Yeah.
Thank you for welcoming into your country, brother. Okay, so I think we need to walk this way. He's recommended we go to the same place that I was trying to go to earlier. Remember when I stopped the driver
Yeah.
to go to this place first? We was literally on our way there, but we stopped halfway to explore this area because it looked very interesting, and one of the other locals recommended that we go to here. So, but now
Another dog.
see another dog. Oh my goodness! Look at this dog. This dog right here is pretty, babe. This black dog right here. Hello, buddy. Oh, he's cold. He's shaking. Yeah, I think he's cold. Hello, buddy. Oh, so sad, that dog. He's got like a lot of his fur missing, unfortunately. I think this one has an owner because he has a collar on. Yeah. All right, we're going to explore down this way and go to the Durbar Square. And I think there's actually an entry fee, so we might have to pay to get in. We will see. I'm not quite sure. I was seeing some stuff online where it could cost money, so we're gonna have to figure that out. But I believe it's just down this way. Yes? Hello.
Show all my outfits since you got buy me this.
Oh yeah. With the outfit here, let me hold the bags. Show your beautiful outfit now that we got your Nepali shoes on. You look absolutely stunning. Looks amazing, babe. It's really good. Now you are Nepali.
Yeah, I'm Nepali.
Here, I'll hold the bags for you. All right, let's go explore. So you can see they also got some of the men clothing here as well. I should, if it wasn't 75 US dollars, I would definitely buy one for myself. It would be cool to walk around in one of those local dresses with my wife, but I don't want to spend that kind of money right now. $75. Once my channel starts monetizing, I can spend money like that, right? But we're not monetized yet, unfortunately, but we're working hard. We're posting every day. We're making tons of content, traveling tons of countries. So we're getting close. And every like, subscribe, comment really helps. If you could share it with a friend, that would be amazing. Or just watch it. Even if you just watch it quietly, and that really helps. The watch time really helps because when YouTube sees you guys watching it for a long time, they start recommending it to other people because that means you find it interesting. So it's really helpful. But look at this amazing structure right here. That's absolutely beautiful. I'm not sure if that is a religious structure or what, but looks pretty cool with this one as well. And that sun is blaring right now. Oh, my wife. You want a picture here? Okay. All right. My wife wants a picture, so I'll see you guys in just a moment.
I'm taking a picture of you, not me.
Okay, I guess I had my hat on backwards. My brother just helped me
Okay.
fix it. Thank you so much. I appreciate that.
Thank you.
So I guess I had it on wrong. He put it in side and fixed both sides of it. So now it's not as long, it looks like. So it looks better. Thank you so much. So this is the real way to wear it. This is the correct way. Okay. Thank you so much, brother.
okay. Thank
I
you.
appreciate it.
Okay.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
He said, Nepali boy, Nepali boy. They called me Nepali boy, and then they grabbed my hat and fixed it for me. So, love the vibes here. Amazing. And this place, I don't know what this place is. Is this the Durbar Square? Are we already here? Let me check the maps. I'm not sure if we're here yet. Oh, we are here.
Well, here's the square. That one.
Oh, wait. No, we're not. Let's see here. We gotta walk. No, we gotta still walk this way. We're not there yet. I thought we were, but no, this is not it. Okay, so we got a little bit of a walk here. The GPS here sometimes it's not accurate, and it doesn't give you complete destinations for some reason. So sometimes you gotta kind of go with the flow here. But I'm wondering what this place is. I think that is some type of Hinduism religion as well, because I could see people at the top and it looks like they're praying. But this is the center right here. One of the center areas. It is chaotic here. I keep getting almost hit by motorbikes and stuff. Hello, sir. Hello. Oh, I love the vibes here. I love Nepal. It's absolutely amazing. Hello, sir. What are you selling here? Drink? What kind of drink is this? Lassi?
Lassi.
You want lassi, babe?
Just order one and can try we both.
Okay, we will order one.
How much? How
Huh?
much?
60 rupees, 110.
Just small one's fine.
This is
Small one,
yes.
yeah. I'll be honest, I'm not a big fan of lassi, but I know my wife likes it, so we'll order for her. But look at it. It's very clean. Is this Nepali style or Indian style?
Nepali style.
Nepali lassi, so different than Indian lassi. Okay. My first Nepali lassi. Thank you so much, brother. Let's try it.
You are also looks like Nepali.
What'd you say?
Looks like Nepali.
I look like Nepali. I think it's the hat. Both of her, yeah, because we wanted to blend in with the locals here. Appreciate it. Are you Nepali? And you have an American hat on. I have Nepali hat, you have American hat. And I'm American. I'm American, so we traded cultures, brother. Good. Thank you so much, brother. Appreciate it. It's really good. How do you like it? What did you put on top? What is this? Is that nuts or what? Almond or
Cream.
no? This one. Raisins. Okay. It looks like a different type of raisin. I think it's green raisins, maybe. In America, we usually have dark reddish raisins. Okay. Oh, I dropped the 50. Here's 100. Keep it, brother. Keep it. Okay. That's a tip for you guys.
You know how much that?
It was 60. It's okay. It's okay. Keep it. Tip it. Tip. Okay. That's a tip. Hey, no, that's a tip. That's a tip from my American brother. Okay. Okay. Thank you so much. I appreciate it, guys. Huh?
Meat is
What did he say?
tasty or not?
Tasty. Very good.
Tasty meat.
Nepali tasty. Look, she's drinking it all.
I like that.
She loves it. Okay, thank you so much, my friend. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay. Love the vibes here. Hello, brother. He said, lassi. Man, the vibes of Nepal are absolutely amazing. I love Nepal, babe.
But I'm full of
You want me to carry the bags for you? Let me carry your bags. I know I keep having her hold it because it's hard for me to vlog and do everything with 2 bags in my hand. Okay, we gotta keep walking this way though. I think down that way is gonna be the area he was talking about. But as you can see, it opens up here and it gets a lot more modern. So the places we've been exploring are more traditional. and like an older vibe, right? But here, you can see these shops seem to be a lot more modern here. But they've got the front doors and they're still open. So like the street vendors, you know? So it's still kind of got that local vibe to it in a way. And something's going on here. I'm not quite sure. There's a bunch of people playing drums down there or something. So I'm not sure what's going on, but someone told me there was a festival going on today. So maybe this is the festival. I'm not quite sure, but I'm gonna figure it out. Are you okay? You okay?
I need to find the trash.
Okay, we'll find the trash. You done with it?
This new video you.
Yeah. It's a new one. I started it when getting her shoes. So we're continuing. Let's see what is over here. I can hear somebody playing drums down there. I think it's down there, but it says no entry for some reason. I see people coming out of it, but nobody entering. You know what? It's probably because they don't want the city trashed.
This is trash or no?
I don't think so. We'll figure it out. Where's the drums? I hear the drums, but I don't see them. Where are they playing drums at? It's gotta be inside one of those stores. I hear them inside. Oh, there he is, right there. I see him. Let's go check him out real quick. You wanna come or are you gonna stay here?
I tried to find the trash.
Okay. Let's check it out. Gotta cross this road. People are speeding over here. Oh, he looks very cool. Look at these guys. I think they're playing for money here. Hello, bro.
Find the money.
Yeah, they're trying to play for money. Well, let's see. Let's see what you got, bro. Let's see what they got. Hello, sir. Very cool. Hello. Okay. Hello, bro. Hello. What are you guys playing? They're doing it for money. Okay, I got you.
5,000.
Oh, 500. No, too expensive. Too expensive. Fine, I got 100 for you, okay? You got the bags, babe? I thought someone was stealing the bags.
100.
Okay, I got you, bro. I got you.
100. 5 months, 5.
No, 500 is too much.
5,000.
I don't even think I have small bills here. Give you guys 100. Give you guys 100. There you go, okay? 100. Okay? Appreciate it. Very cool, very cool. They're disappointed they didn't get 500. But it's just a donation. I don't have to give it to them. I just wanted to be nice. I wanted to see what was going on, what they were doing. But I think 100 is more enough. He had a stack of money, so they were making bread doing that. Sure. Okay, so I think it's just down this way. It looks like the center is here because I see a statue down there. So, we will see. Find the trash yet? Excuse me. I see so many jewelry shops here. They got tons of jewelry shops. Okay, let's see here. Okay, I think we're getting close now. This is it right here. Seems like oh, it's gonna be this way. Yeah, I think it's gonna be this way. If I'm not mistaken. Yeah, you probably gotta ask someone, babe. I don't see any trash here. We'll find it, don't worry. Or just drink it all and put it in the bag.
No, it's sticky.
Okay. We'll find it, don't worry. Right here. Ask this guy. I see a trash there, you can ask him. Yeah, let me ask him. Sir, can I throw this away there? Is it trash? Thank you so much, sir. I appreciate it. Thank you. Bye-bye. Okay, he was nice enough to let me. I didn't think he was gonna let me. He let us throw it away there. Okay. Actually, I think I'm gonna end this vlog here because it's already long enough and I wanna make a whole new vlog for this area that they want us to explore. So, we're gonna see you guys on the next one. Hope you enjoyed this one. Peace.